In the world of woodworking, scrap wood is often seen as a mere byproduct, but for the creative individual, it can be a gold mine of opportunities. The process of transforming scrap wood into artistic, decorative projects not only nurtures creativity, but can also serve as a lucrative business venture. By tapping into the growing demand for unique, handcrafted items, woodworkers can turn their leftover materials into profitable creations that resonate with a diverse audience. The first step in this journey is to cultivate a mindset that views scrap wood as a valuable resource rather than waste. Each piece, regardless of its size or shape, can inspire new ideas. By exploring various artistic techniques, woodworkers can develop a signature style that sets their work apart in the marketplace. Whether it involves intricate carvings, bold color applications, or innovative designs, the potential for creativity is limitless. Craft fairs and online marketplaces are excellent platforms for showcasing these artistic projects. Setting up an eye-catching booth at local craft fairs allows artisans to engage directly with customers, sharing the story behind each piece. This personal connection can significantly enhance the perceived value of the items. Similarly, online platforms provide a broader reach, enabling woodworkers to market their creations to a global audience. High-quality photographs and engaging descriptions can help capture the essence of each project, attracting potential buyers. Marketing plays a crucial role in turning scrapwood projects into a successful business. Utilizing social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest can amplify visibility and engagement. Sharing progress photos, behind-the-scenes videos, and finished pieces can create a loyal following of enthusiasts eager to support the creative journey. By utilizing hashtags relevant to woodworking and DIY projects, artisans can connect with a community that appreciates their work. Collaboration with local businesses can also enhance visibility and sales potential. Partnering with home decor stores or garden centers to display and sell creations can lead to mutually beneficial relationships. This approach not only opens new avenues for revenue, but also strengthens community ties, providing a platform for local artisans to thrive. Workshops and classes are another avenue for monetizing scrap wood creativity. By sharing skills and techniques with others, woodworkers can foster a community of enthusiasts while generating additional income. Hosting workshops can also lead to sales opportunities, as participants often express interest in purchasing handmade items or commission pieces. Another important aspect of building a woodworking business is understanding the target market. Researching trends in home decor, sustainability, and handcrafted items can guide the creative process, ensuring that projects resonate with potential buyers. Offering custom designs that reflect individual customer preferences can further enhance appeal and drive sales. Sustainability is a growing concern for many consumers, making scrapwood projects particularly attractive. By emphasizing eco-friendly practices and the use of reclaimed materials, woodworkers can appeal to environmentally conscious customers. This commitment to sustainability not only enhances brand reputation, but can also justify higher price points for unique, handcrafted items. Crafting a strong brand identity is essential for standing out in a competitive market. Developing a memorable name, logo, and packaging that reflect the artistic vision can create a cohesive image that resonates with customers. A well-defined brand story that highlights the journey from scrap wood to a beautiful creation can further engage potential buyers, inviting them to be part of the narrative. Networking with other artisans and participating in woodworking forums can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Sharing experiences, challenges, and successes can foster a supportive community that encourages growth and innovation. Collaborating on projects or participating in group exhibitions can also expand exposure and lead to new business opportunities. As woodworkers delve deeper into their creative process, experimenting with different techniques and styles can lead to unexpected and exciting results. Embracing a spirit of exploration can lead to unique projects that capture the imagination of potential buyers. This willingness to take risks can set a business apart and establish a reputation for originality and quality. Tracking expenses and profits is crucial for ensuring the sustainability of a woodworking business. Understanding the costs associated with materials, tools, and labor can inform pricing strategies that ensure profitability. Additionally, maintaining accurate records can help identify successful projects and areas for improvement, guiding future creative endeavors. Customer feedback is invaluable for refining products and enhancing the overall business model. Engaging with customers through surveys or direct communication can provide insights into preferences and suggestions for improvement. This feedback loop can enhance the creative process and lead to the development of products that resonate more deeply with the audience. As the business grows, it may become necessary to scale operations. This could involve investing in more advanced tools, expanding the workspace, or even hiring additional help. Scaling should be approached thoughtfully, ensuring that the quality and artistic integrity of the work remain intact.